Have you been recently made redundant or has got a major cut in your pay because of the current situation? Then my dear friend, you need to watch this video till the very end. In the current climate, we are experiencing a complete breakdown of traditional economy. Unemployment is skyrocketing and more businesses are unable to open their doors again. But here is another fact. In the past couple of months, we have seen a rise of more than 25% in online shopping. Hence, more and more number of people are awakening to the fact that developing a strong digital skill set is one of the most impactful things you can do in order to secure your future. You need to ask yourself a question: is 9 to 5 job really worth it? What if anything goes wrong to your existing situation? Do you have a backup plan? Well, until recently, I was working at London Heathrow Airport as a shift supervisor. Despite of having such a good job, I was still struggling financially, unable to spend quality time with my family, and buying my dream home was becoming a distinct reality. The final nail in the coffin came when I was informed by my company that I, along with 458 colleagues of mine, had just been made redundant because of the current situation. In fact, the passenger flow at Heathrow Airport had drastically reduced by 95% and we were told our services was no longer required. But thank God, I had my backup plan up and running by then. And if you wish to know what my backup plan is that saved me and my family during these testing times, then please click on the link below and I will send you the same free video series that got me started and made me what I am today. In fact, it was 6 months before my redundancy that I had come to realize that the traditional approach of trading my time for money was completely unviable in this 21st century. Hence, I started looking for different alternatives. I started researching on the web, and after many weeks, I came across a global community of digital entrepreneurs willing to help a complete beginner like me in order to get a transformation to digital lifestyle. Of course, I was skeptical at first, but I decided to watch this free video series that they sent me, and I'm glad I did it. Hence, they showed me step by step how to build my own fully automated online business. But what surprised me the most is when they showed me so many people from different walks of life, all ages and background, were making a healthy living with just their laptops. I am now at a stage of my own journey that I want to help others. So if you are anything like me, if you are sick and tired of feeling negative of life, then please click on the link below and discover how you can achieve a positive state of being by learning the same techniques that took me out of depression, exhaustion and flat out, missing the most important moments with my family, to be a father and a husband that my family has been wanting for me to be. The 5 to 10 minutes workshop series that I am sending you is completely free. Make me one promise though, that when you achieve this state in your life, you will share this gift with someone that you care about to impact their life for better. Thank you for watching me.